Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Thursday, March 20th, 2025. Before I jump into the charts, just want to encourage you to go to wickedstocks.com, take advantage of our 5-day free trial. On Tuesday this week, we put out a stock pick on Adobe. We've got another one coming out today, Thursday, 2 every week. You can see them all for free by going to wickedstocks.com and taking advantage of our 5-day free trial, where you'll also get daily Triple Q, daily SPY analysis, weekly Apple stock analysis, S&P 500, and NASDAQ 100. So check us out at wickedstocks.com. So about 2 weeks ago, actually, it was. I guess it wasn't 2 weeks ago. If you really were honest about it, it would be a week ago tomorrow that we actually settled below the 258.99 two-year channel bottom. But we opened above it about 2 weeks ago from this Monday. And the settlement below it last week was and still is a sell signal that over the next month or two is expected to yield the mid 150s to low 160s, 154.05 to 160.15, where Tesla could actually bottom out through the rest of the year and come off of that area nicely in the months to follow. That is the big picture. Bearish below 258.99. 258.99 is your short sale area if you're not short yet. Anticipating then the 150s, 160s within a month or two. Let's take a look at the more immediate vicinity. There's a few things to break down here. So we've got this short-term channel bottom that we pushed back above on Wednesday, closed above it. Now, I did mention that if we close above 231.95, you can anticipate a 3 to 5 day rally perhaps to 258.99. And that still may be true. But there's also, because of the relaxed volatility right now, the restrained volatility relative to what we've seen over the last few months, we do have a near-term channel top coming down at 237.82. So if you look to the far right, I've got 237.82 as an upward pivot for the day. And in fact, holding below 237.82 will keep that channel bottom at 231.95 in reach, which is our downward pivot for the day. So, we're kind of splitting it right down the middle. Bullish above 237.82. If we push or open today above 237.82, we just might reach 258.99 intraday. That'd be a 20-point plus rally. It is likelier that we would close above 237.82 and then reach 258.99 tomorrow, Friday. But 258.99 is once again the two-year channel bottom that can contain buying through April, and below which we continue to expect the 154.05 to 160.15 area. Speaking of which, if we happen to break or open today below 231.95, what might we expect? Well, I wouldn't expect 212.11 with the restrained volatility. You've got 222.15 that could be reached today, but it would be a settlement back below 231.95 that will keep 212.11 in reach, possibly by Friday's close, where, yes, we could place a daily low and maybe even bounce out of here into next week. And I say that, and I've been saying that now for the last week or so, but you can see this pullback low here is 212.11. I just showed it on the daily chart. And that really was kind of the beginning, that low, of this incredible vertical rally that played out in the course of 2 months. And then following that, we have the incredible, sell-off over pretty much the same time horizon. We're back to the point of origin at 212.11. I don't see 212.11 as a significant level, but I do think others might see it as such, which in itself gives it a support status. 212.11, if settled below, would then set up the 160.15, kind of the 1 to 2 month target, as a likely 2 to 3 week objective. 160.15 is once again our base of long-term support on the weekly chart. 5-year channel support, able to contain selling through all of 25 and into 26. Upside, if we close the week tomorrow above 258.99, I don't think it's likely, but it's possible. And if so, then we're expecting this 305.21 descending channel top within 2 to 3 weeks, where we can top out on a weekly basis, possibly into May, through April into May. We could fall away again from here. Closing above 305.21, 3 to 5 week buy signal to 386.10. The upside is very stair step. It is like impossible really for me to look at this chart and say that if we close above 258.99, we can expect, that long-term channel top. I don't think we even show it. Yeah, here we are. If we close back above 258.99 over the next week or two, might we expect a V-shaped rally back to 509.06? And it is not likely. I mean, anything is possible, of course, but it is not likely. These church steeple rallies have a sort of a finality to them that can play out for months to follow. What I think is the likely outcome with Tesla is that we continue to unwind into the 150s, 160s, where we could actually form a low through the year. But from there, we could round back up into, the 250s to low 300s before falling away again. That is kind of the picture I would paint as the probable outcome as we move into later 2025. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. I'll, of course, be back tomorrow with Friday's Tesla. You have a great day.